Hey there Free Fire warriors! Want those elite bundles, crazy skin and cool emotes? You need diamonds. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy diamonds in Free Fire. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, launch Free Fire on your mobile device. And make sure you are logged in with the right account. Once you are in the main menu, hit that little shiny diamond icon at the top. You will see a bunch of diamond packs, from budget buys to baller bundles. Pick the one that fits your vibe and your wallet. Now just tap buy, confirm your payment with Google Play or Apple Pay or whatever you use, and boom, diamond in your account. And hey, if it's your first time topping up, you will usually get a juicy bonus or even a free skin. Don't sleep on that. Now you are all set to buy emotes, bundle and spin those lucky wheels like a Free Fire legend. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy diamonds in Free Fire. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.